Hey buddies! A while ago I posted a video about how to get a discount on your Creative Cloud subscription, and a number of people commented and said they couldn't get the discount. Some could, some couldn't. I'd been getting it for a number of years and now it's gone. It wasn't available to me either. So there was some new options. There was the option for a 2-month discount, but I thought, well, it's still very expensive if you're not a company. If you're just an individual using Creative Cloud, it is a pricey product. So I decided to go with the chat option and see if I could still get the same discount. So what I did was I stuck to my guns. I basically went through the whole thing. I'm going to cancel. And the last options that pop up is let's talk, check for a custom deal. Okay, so I started the chat and basically just went through the process of saying, can I get a deal? And they kind of at first said no. And then I said, oh, well, it's too expensive. I'm going to have to leave. And that's the moment, it's probably a bot, came back and said, hey, here you go. You can still have that discount on your Adobe product, which I've now got for another year. Okay, so that's my tip. If you don't get the discount offered to you when you're cancelling, then have a go at using the chat. See if you can kind of push for a discount. Good luck.